Spyder Auto. Today we are installing headlights on a 2017 GMC Yukon. Let's get started. Tools I'll be using for the installation is a ratchet, 7mm socket, 8mm socket, 10mm socket, T15 Torx, T20 Torx, 3-inch extension, 7mm ratcheting wrench, long flat blade screwdriver, panel popper, trim remover, masking tape, and safety glasses. Start by opening the hood. Let's start by applying masking tape here to prevent any damages. Remove the 2 push pins, 1 on each side. Now remove the 8 10mm bolts. Now remove 6 push pins, securing the radiator shroud. Now remove 6 10mm bolts, securing the grille. Next, we're going to disconnect the bumper harness. We're going to slide back the red clip, press down on the tab, and disconnect. Moving to the passenger side wheel, we're going to open up the liner and disconnect the bumper. Remove 1 T15 screw here, and then 6 7mm bolts, 1 securing the bumper, and the rest securing the liner. Now this next step, we have to free the side of the bumper, open up the wheel liner, loosen 3 7mm bolts, securing the bumper bracket guide using a 7mm ratcheting wrench. You just want to unscrew the bolts about halfway. Now that I unscrewed all 3 bolts halfway, bumper has play. Go ahead and carefully unclip it. Now repeat the same process to the driver's side. Next, we're going to lift up on the grille, pull it forward. Now you're going to take your long flat blade screwdriver. You're going to reach in. There's a clip here and here. On the center of the clip, you're going to take your flat blade screwdriver. You're going to lift it up. As you lift up a little, you're going to pull your bumper forward and remove your tool. And now that the bumper is free, go ahead and uninstall your bumper. So you're going to open up your liner. You're going to reach in. There's 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. They're going this way. So just unscrew this one with your ratcheting wrench, and then this one with your socket. You're going to unscrew them halfway. Remove 4 10mm bolts securing the headlight. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now carefully unseat your headlight. Now you're going to slide back the red clip, press on the tab, and unplug. Now take your T20 Torx and remove 3 screws securing the bracket. Set your old headlight to the side. Bring in the new headlight. I'm going to seat the bracket in position and install the 3 T20 screws. Now we're ready to install our Spyder headlight. Now bring in your Spyder headlight. Go ahead and plug it in. Make sure it clips in place. Slide the red clip to lock it. Now as you seat your headlight in place, you want to line up your guide pin with its slot, and also make sure your harness is off to the side so that it doesn't get pinched. Now reinstall your top 2 10mm bolts. And now reinstall the bottom 2 10mm bolts. Now repeat the same process to the opposite side. Now that we have the headlights installed, go ahead and bring over your bumper, clip your bumper into place. Go ahead and plug in your bumper harness and slide the red clip to lock it in place. Tighten down the 3 bolts securing the bumper bracket guide. Reinstall one T15 screw securing this top section of the liner. Now reinstall the 6 7mm bolts securing the liner and the bumper. Now do the same to the other side. Reinstall the 6 10mm bolts securing the grille. Reinstall your shroud along with the 6 plastic push pins. Reinstall the 2 push pins securing the liner to the bumper. Reinstall the 8 10mm bolts securing the bottom of the bumper. Remove the masking tape. Now that we're finished with the installation, let's test the headlight functions.